that you don't gossip with the future king of this kingdom. You called me a crazy prince.
How can I do that?
Next time,
Your Majesty, you called.
What is that noise all about?
Your Majesty, it's the prince. One of the maids upset him, and he's punishing her by asking her to remove her dress and go naked before everyone. Your Majesty, please don't do this. You will hurt yourself. Relax.
Go and call that boy for me.
Yes, Your Majesty. But please, relax yourself. I'll call him.
Kitty. He wants to kill me. He wants to kill me before my time.
Mom, I don't want to listen to any of this. Don't you understand me? That girl insulted me. She disrespected me. The future king of this kingdom. And I'm being scolded for punishing her.
And that was the only punishment you could think of.
Well, I don't care. I don't really care. Anyhow I want to punish a common servant, it shouldn't be a problem.
You don't have the right to treat human beings like animals. She's not one.
Oh, really? Oh, it's fine. Let me become king. Let me just become king. All of them will be answerable to me. Anyone who goes against my will, we have me and my cabinet members to deal with.
Is that the way you're going to lead your own people?
Mom, please. Enough of this. My people should fear me.
There is a great difference between respect and fear. Maybe you are not ready to become king. Yes. Speak up, Agnes. What is it?
The king wants to see the prince in his chamber.
It's okay. A wise king chooses his battle. Do not be a dog that barks at every stranger that passes. It's a word of advice.
In this palace,
don't get it. No, seriously, I do not get what is happening in this palace. How can I come on and speak ill about the crown prince of this kingdom, and everyone is concerned about the fact that I reacted? I should have applauded her for insulting me.
Son, nobody is against your reactions. The problem I have with you is your method.
My method? What do you mean method? I did what I was supposed to do.
It's very few days you came back and everybody's complaining about you, son. All the people complaining about you.
Which people?
The way he treated the elders the other time. They are not happy.
Well, what's my business with that? I see, Father, it's very clear. I have suddenly become a topic for malicious gossips, right?
You are deviating, son.
Oh, please, Father. I don't get it. So the people I'm supposed to rule are the ones to determine how I'm going to live my life.
You don't get it, son.
You keep saying I don't get it. I don't get it. Whereas I understand everything you're saying.
You need them, and they need you too. My son, I have never seen anything wrong in being kind. There is no wrong in showing kindness, son.
Oh, Father, come on. I'm so surprised you're saying all of this. If there's one thing I learned from you, is to be strong and resolute. To fight like a lion. That was what you taught me. How come you're saying all of this?
Son, you've forgotten something here. You refuse to mention empathy.
Please, Father, come on it. You expect me to show empathy to a commoner that insulted me. Come on, that's weakness.
No, son. It is no weakness. For the fact that you show love and you are genuine to your subjects is not a weakness. Listen to me, son. You may decide to be a tyrant. You may make yourself a god and nobody's accessible to you. It's your choice. But I want to advise you, son. It is better you show kindness to your subjects, and they will love you more and respect you. Yes.
I see. Please, no, I'm not caught up for all these things you were saying. Seriously.
Children.
Mbosi kwa kai jeje makana mbosi ke ni feneme. Welu go ko sielu anya jebego.
Eyes of the God. To what do I owe this unexpected visit?
Oh no, I greet you.
I greet you too, great one.
Oh no. Our elder said that a toad does not run in the daytime for nothing. It's either it's after something or...
Something is after it, yes. Yes, I know. Let me give you seat and collar.
Oh no, do not bother. My visit is a brief one.
Great one. Your countenance tells me that you are troubled.
Oh yes or no? I am troubled. Oh yes. Oh no, my mouth cannot speak what I say. Do my fear for the future forget it? Oh no. The one that will be the king is nothing like his father, yet appears like we have no option. Oh no, the one that must be the king has become a ghost. They have forgotten memory in the time past.
The great one. The words you utter are mysteries. I don't understand it. If I tell you I understand them, I lie.
Oh no. I dear some more. If I tell you that I do understand, that means I am also a liar. I do not understand. Oh no, the gods are wise. Let us not be in haste in deciding that the available is desirable. Oh no, the gods are wise. I take my leave.
Did you see which place?
Stop! The prince wants to see you.
Me?
Not you. You. Yes.
Why does he want to see me?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't want to see the prince. So.
You have to see the prince now.
I said I don't want to see the prince. Say you have to see the prince.
No one keeps the prince waiting.
She wants to see the prince. Me, I'm not interested.
I said the prince wants to see you and no one keeps him waiting. After you.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon, girl. Come on, jump in.
Why?
Hey, you don't ask questions, just jump in the car.
Stop the car. Where are you taking me to?
Hey, girl. Take a chill pill and try not to be up on the hill. I don't bite, okay? I just want us to talk, have like tete-a-tete.
I'm not interested.
I talk.
I'm not interested. I'm going to shout. I'll shout.
Hey, stay quiet, man. Now you tell me, how does it feel knowing that you're riding with the crown prince of Ogidi Kingdom? How does it feel?
I don't understand what you mean.
What do you mean you don't understand what I mean? It's a privilege, girl, so you just need to relax.
Oh, please, can you stop? Stop it.
I like that. I like when you are so hard. It turns me on for real.
This man, you're sick, oh.
Am I?
You are. Stop the car!
No.
What is it? No! Leave me alone. Leave me.
Hey, relax yourself, girl. What's
Leave
your
me
problem?
alone.
Let's take a ride.
What's the meaning of this?
The meaning is that you caught my fancy. So when I saw you, I told my God, go get this girl for me.
God forbid. Leave me alone. Stop it. Ow! Stop it.
I like when you're hard. Be her, girl. Be her, girl.
How dare you? Put your filthy hands on me.
Oh, man. This is crazy. Hey, step on it. Move the car now.
Move to where?
So fast.
Stop it! Stop it.
In this palace, the eyes of God are here. If I can make I never, I just oh, your lust must fail, must fail.
Take her to my bedroom.
Move. What is happening?
Your Highness, the prince asked me to take her to his room.
Nam, what is the meaning of this?
Mom, please. This is not your business. Kindly mind your business. Stay out of this, please.
Really?
Take her to my room.
Hey, stop there. Young lady, you may now leave.
Thank you.
What? Mom!
Thank you, ma.
What's that? No, what have you done? Why would you ask my guests to leave? You're disrespecting me in front of these commoners. How the hell do you want them to see me when I become king?
Nnamdi, do not make me to ever regret giving birth to you. If you want to be treated as royalty, you have to behave and act like one.
Oh, please, don't tell me that. You don't have no right to ask my guests to leave. Do you know the business we have together? No, do you know the business we have together?
Nnamdi, let this be the first and last time you'll ever harass a woman in this community.
Oh, please.
What business,
Oh,
Nnamdi?
please, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Nnamdi.
You disrespect me all the time in front of commoners.
Nnamdi.
Hey! I have heard so many stories about the prince, but you know what? I have confirmed it. He is insane. Nwoke amara ife. Uchu, are you even listening to me? What is it?
Nothing.
Ah, Uchu, I know you more than this now. How can you say nothing? But you seem distant. It's as if you were not even listening to me.
Ah. Why wouldn't I be distant, Kainene? Eh? When my so-called friend has decided to take what makes me happy.
Ogene, what are you talking about?
Kainene, you know fully well that I'm in love with the prince. And yet you went out with the prince.
Would you want? You never stop to amuse me. So, you are here, killing yourself over a man that did not even notice you. Ekwa?
Wait. Just hold on.
Sorry.
Do you think you're more beautiful than I am?
Ibiakwa, Jerome. That's not what I meant, though. I was only joking. Why are you taking it so seriously?
Me, please. At this point, I don't even care what you mean. The only thing I care about is that I will do everything humanly possible to make sure that the prince notices me. So please.
Uju, you can't possibly be in love with a man who does not respect women.
He doesn't respect women, and yet you left with him.
Left with? No, it was against my will. See, it was even the queen that came to my rescue.
The queen. So, he even took you to the palace?
Yes, he even asked his guard to drag me into the room. It's a queen that now came and told them to leave me alone. So, why
am I not believing all this cook and boo story you're talking about? Like, why am I not believing all this?
That one is your own headache now. We all can't be you.
Kanena, what's that supposed to mean?
Ujungwa, that you're more than willing to open this your legs like
Hey, just wait.
No, you wait. Excuse me, you wait, because I have not finished. That you're more than willing to open your legs so wide for the prince doesn't mean that all girls would. And if you may ask me, if you like your prince, all the nasty and disgusting. No, wait, I have not finished.
Please.
Just
stand up and leave my house.
I have dignity as a woman, so I cannot stoop so low as to dating or having anything to do with that. Prince is an animal. I'll never. Yes, you heard me.
Please leave my house.
I was done.
Leave my house. Leave my house, oh. Leave my house, leave my house, oh. Let me see you in my house again.
Which house?
Idiot. You don't want the prince, and yet you will not stay away from him. Anofia, let me see your dates.
What's that for?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay, my brother. Take your money. They told me that the people of this village are very hospitable.
Yes, no, we are now. Yes.
Because guess what? The first person I encountered is a very rude lady.
Calm down. Nobody did too hot. What is it now? Just calm down. Don't tell me you're going to judge the whole village based on your experience with one person. Copper, don't do like that now. I'm sure your books should have taught you better. You know how.
What did they tell you about first impression?
First impression? I don't know, but let me just help you.
No, don't worry yourself. Don't bother.
Copper, calm down. Okay, I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Let me just help you.
I said thank you.
Wow. My name is Kaine Nechukwu. Who are you?
If you care to know, I am Femi Adebomiro.
Chideke. So, you're Yoruba? Very interesting. You're welcome. No. You know, because we don't usually have a lot of Yoruba coppers in this our village, so it's very good to have you. Koffa. Otondo koffa. Short koffa. You're welcome. Koffa. Koffa, welcome. Sorry. God. Jesus. Oh. Yes. Look at movements here with theater trouser. Confession.
Your Highness. Your Majesty, do you need any other thing? Leave us. Your Majesty, I am worried about our son. I fear that our sending him out of the country has done more harm than good.
More harm? But our son is still alive. You see, wife, at least you have an heir to the throne. So that singular decision is wonderful.
I know. But his behavior bothers me.
I know what you're saying.
Your Majesty, the people are already agitating. No one wants a dictator as a king. It's quite unfair that our son is becoming sadistic in nature. Your Majesty, I'm not sure Prince Nnamdi is ready to become king.
So, what do you suggest? Do you suggest we hand over the throne to the next family in line?
No. Royalty cannot leave this family under my watch.
If nothing is done, our son stands the chance of losing the throne. And automatically that will that will amount to losing the ancestral blessings that follows it.
I don't think our son's behavior is ordinary. What if someone or some group of people have done this to him in order to discredit him from being king? Thereby causing the family to lose the kingship.
So, what are you saying?
They try to wipe out our children. First, they murdered the crown prince, Prince Jidenna and his mother. And then they tried to kill the princess, even though they should not have done that, because according to tradition, she cannot become king. I'm sure they would have come for Nnamdi if we had not acted fast and sent him away.
Questions that yearns for answer. Wife, who are these people that wants this throne so badly? Who are they?
Who does not want the throne, Your Majesty? Think about the next family in line. You have to do something fast. Also, you have to talk to your son. Dara, my lovely daughter. My beautiful angel. Life has been so unfair to you. I'm sorry you're going through all this. How I wish I can take away your pains. Stop crying, okay? Stop. Don't cry.
Good evening, my prince.
Good evening. So, what is a pretty lady like you doing on the road? I mean, all alone.
My prince, I'm waiting for my husband.
Your husband?
Yes, my prince.
Oh, I see. You're married?
Yes, my prince.
Wow. I mean, he must be a very lucky man to have a pretty like you. Hmm?
Thank you, my prince.
Okay. Why not you at least coming inside the my prince? Oh, the husband. See. Well, I just told her now that you must consider yourself lucky to have, I mean, a pretty girl like this.
Yes, my prince. I'm a very lucky man. And thank you for the compliment.
That's nice. So I hope he's taking care of you.
Of course.
No, I wasn't talking to you.
Yes, my prince. He's taking care of me. And he's a good man. Yes.
He's a good man, and he's taking care of you. Are you sure he's taking care of you, or you're just covering up for him?
No. Huh? He's taking care of me.
If he's taking care of you, then you shouldn't be here. You should be inside the car, chilling under the AC, or back home. You know, that's how they take care of someone, not subjecting you to this farm work and stuff. Are you sure he's taking care of you?
Yes, my prince.
Turn around, let me see if he's taking care of you. Turn. Well, I just have to let you guys see. We'll see much later.
He seems nice.
Oh, yes. Even asking you to turn around, and you were foolishly turning around.
You have started. Let's go on before you started.
You.
Yes, me.
Is that what I think it is?
I'm sorry. The pepper might not be enough for you.
Get away, you. Sit.
Thank you.
You.
What?
The room is still in a mess, so.
Meet me in my bedroom.
Tell you this food is very, very delicious.
Oh, please, don't even patronize me because I know the pepper is not enough for you.
You're too presumption. No, I don't really like too much pepper.
Oh, really? Then your Yorubaness is questionable.
I am a Yoruba man to the core.
Oh, please, maybe a fake one. Because any Yoruba man that doesn't like pepper is like a man without oxygen.
Will you just allow me to enjoy this food?
Please, please.
You see, look apart. Jokes apart. I am really enjoying this food. It's nice.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So I hope I've been able to convince you that not all first impressions matter.
Anyway, I've already made my points. But tell me, are you always nice to every couple that comes around?
I don't know about being nice, so I just try to be friendly, but sometimes people take advantage.
How?
Yeah. Some perverts actually think I want them when I'm nice. And some ladies also see me as a village champion. So, village champion, I'm way out of their league. So, I just stay on my lane and...
You're hardly a village champion. I don't see you like a village champion. You're very intelligent, and I love your sense of humor. But you know what? I don't really blame those men. And me too, I can't really trust myself around a beautiful lady like you. I'm going to promise you something. You know what? Always slap me back to my sense whenever I misbehave.
Be sure I'll not take that permission for granted.
You want some?
No, thank you.
Why would you bite into my room like that, man? Why did you do that?
What is this? Drugs? In the palace? No, this is not true. Am I dreaming or what?
Mom, why would you barge into my room like that? That is wrong, man.
Nnamdi, why? Why are you doing this to me? Why have you decided to break my heart? Nnamdi, why are you doing this to yourself after all your father and I have done for you? You chose this path to pay us back.
Mom, please leave my room. And next time you knock, okay? Cut to the demands, you knock.
I'm the one. I will not leave you until you tell me what have you done to my baby.
What you're doing now is worse, Mom.
Nandi, what have you done to my baby boy? I need him back.
Mom,
I need him back.
My head go jiggy yaki, Mom.
Nandi, why are you doing this to me?
I think I'm going to like it here.
Oh, please. Don't be too relaxed yet. After all, you just came in here today.
And notwithstanding, the people seems very peaceful.
Oh, yeah, we are very peaceful people. But if you look for our trouble, we'll give it to you in double dose.
I'm scared now.
Oh, please. You don't have to be. You don't even look like someone who can hurt a fly. So you don't have anything to worry about.
Again, you presume.
Oh, please. Is it not you I'm seeing? Or do you still have any other part of you remaining in that Yoruba land of yours?
This your mouth will land into trouble someday. I'm very sure.
At least who? Me? That can't even hurt a fly, please.
Okay, can you do me a favor?
It depends.
I just want you to show me around the village.
Oh, really? So, how much are you willing to pay?
Oh, I forgot. They told me that Igbo girls love money too much.
Oh yes, yes. So we love money. In fact, me, I love money, plenty of it. So you that doesn't like money, you can be sending me your alawi. I love it.
Oh, Loshi.
Onyohi. Ishigidi.
What is that?
Oh, you too. What is that?
Just call you Oloshi.
I mean, so I just called you Onyoshi. Onyoshi Kibun.
So, are you going to show me around the village?
Okay. Just let me know when you're ready.
Love is beautiful. Negadi, kalavi siaso. Negadi, kalavu siaso. Very calm, peaceful. Negadi, kalavu siaso.
She's good. She's awesome. She's beautiful. She appears well trained. She has good sense of humor. She's my kind of woman.
But I thank God for today. I found you, my love. Negadika love was your summer.
Can't stop thinking about her.
I know if I'm on no for Negadika love was your memo. I know if I'm on no for I love you so so. Negadi, I love you so so. Negadi, I love you so so. Negadi, I love you so so. She has fallen in love, kindly. You are deeply in love, mama.
Come on, Mogepo, big wogo. Umwana kamari Mogepo, big wogo. Halma puko saga. Mbosum kwa kai jeje makana mbosieke ni fene me. Afum ko saga no. Kamari Mogepo, big wogo. Umwana kamari Mogepo, big wogo. Onagan. Your Highness, Prince Nnamdi has not been favored by the gods.
What nonsense!
Eyes of the gods. What did the gods say?
Your Highness, the one that must be the king is nothing but a ghost. A forgotten memory in the past. Your Highness, let's not be in a haste in deciding that the available is the desirable. I must take my leave.
My friend, come get out of here. We invited this boy to this place, sir. People are giving all these kids so much privilege to just sit us down and talk now. What does he know?
Nnamdi.
No, what does this boy know? If you check well now, he's wearing pampers. And he's telling me about what nonsense.
Those words are very, very deep. The words of the gods are beyond human understanding.
Dad, please, just using words to be confused. Which one is the one that is desirable, is not admirable? Does it make sense? Giving us homework to start thinking what he's saying.
Your Majesty, this is something he said to me when he visited me.
It's obvious now because he doesn't have anything to say. He's a child.
Like I said.
Does he know the history of this village?
Indeed, it's deeper than deep.
Come here, stop nonsense. Spending so much time listening to
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Negodi, love is a soul. Negodi, love is a soul. Very calm, peaceful. My love, hold me tight. You are my Lord. Makota gonchamalon. True love, Madu Digagi. But I thank God for today. I found you, my love. Negadika love is yasomo. Asam, anasipamono wafuru. Negadika love is yamemo. Anasipamono wafuru. Negadi, love is yasomo. Negadi, love is yasomo. She has fallen in love, kindly. You are deeply in love, mama. My love, hold me tight. You are my Lord. Makota gonchamalon. True love, Madu Digagi. But I thank God for today. I found you, my love. Negadika love is yasomo. Asam, anasipamono wafuru. Negadika love is yamemo. Anasipamono wafuru. Negadi, love is yasomo. Negadi, love is yasomo.
What you ask of me is impossible. As you know, I'm a married woman.
Of course, I know you're a married woman.
I don't give a damn if you're married or not. Okay? Your prince, Prince Okwabonono one of Ogidi, wants to have a word with you. I want us to, know each other very well. Okay? So I bet and I urge you to just take a chill pill and do exactly what I asked you to do, to avoid if I had known.
My prince, I'm surprised you are still insisting. I love my husband.
Interesting. You love your husband? Alright. We will see to that in a couple of minutes. We will know if you love your husband or you're just saying it. Now, girl, you got yourself some bundle, okay? And, more coming from where I got this from. So if you behave yourself, of course, you get more. Here you go.
With all due respect, my prince, this whole thing is beginning to irritate me. Please, I think I don't need it. Please.
Wait. You are rejecting your prince. Okwabonono decided to be stubborn. I have better ways of treating people like you. That's
my prince.